The one money habit that keeps you broke no matter how much you earn. What if the habit keeping you from building wealth isn't earning too little, but spending every raise before you even receive it? It sounds strange, but this is one of the most common financial patterns in the United States and Europe. People work harder. They earn more. Yet somehow, they never feel richer. Imagine someone named Alex. Alex gets a promotion and now earns around $85,000 a year. After taxes, that's roughly $5,200 a month. At first, it feels like life is finally getting easier. But within a few months, things begin to change. The old apartment suddenly feels too small. The reliable used car no longer feels impressive. The phone that worked perfectly last year suddenly seems outdated. Without realizing it, Alex upgrades almost everything. Rent increases from $1,500 to $2,000. A new SUV adds a $650 monthly payment. Insurance becomes more expensive. A premium phone plan replaces the old one. Streaming subscriptions slowly multiply. Weekend dinners become a normal routine instead of an occasional treat. None of these decisions seem irresponsible on their own. Each one feels affordable. Each one feels deserved. And that's exactly why they're so dangerous. By the end of the month, Alex is surprised to discover there's almost nothing left to save. Not because the income is too low, because every dollar already has a destination. Now imagine someone else earning the exact same salary. Their apartment is comfortable, not luxurious. Their car is reliable instead of impressive. They still enjoy vacations, restaurants, and hobbies. But every time their income increases, they don't immediately increase their lifestyle. Instead, they automatically invest an extra $700 every month. The difference doesn't look dramatic today, but over time, it becomes enormous. Let's keep the math simple. Investing $700 every month for 30 years, assuming an average annual return of 8%, could grow to more than $1 million. The person who upgraded everything may have enjoyed a nicer lifestyle, but most of those purchases lost value over time. The person who invested built assets that continued working long after the paycheck arrived. So why do intelligent people fall into this habit? Because our brains naturally adapt to better lifestyles incredibly fast. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. What feels exciting today quickly becomes normal. The nicer apartment becomes ordinary. The new car becomes just another car. The expensive phone becomes yesterday's technology. Once those upgrades become normal, reducing them feels like moving backward. So people keep spending simply to maintain the lifestyle they've already become used to. This creates a cycle. Higher income creates higher spending. Higher spending creates higher financial commitments. And those commitments quietly reduce future freedom. Financially intelligent people approach raises differently. Instead of asking, "What can I upgrade?" they ask, "How much of this raise can my future keep?" That question changes everything. It doesn't mean avoiding success. It doesn't mean never enjoying your money. It simply means recognizing that every raise gives you two choices. You can increase your standard of living, or you can increase your standard of wealth. Most people choose the first without thinking. Financially successful people make that decision intentionally. Over the long run, that single habit often matters far more than the size of the paycheck itself. If you enjoyed this thoughtful look into money psychology and long-term wealth, consider subscribing for more videos like this.